Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a very special Hans the Hedgehog Squishmallows. And I say he's special because he's all spruced up with his top hat, his bow, his gold trim, because he is part of a huge celebration that Squishmallows is having to celebrate 100 million Squishmallows sold. I'm so lucky to be a part of this because you know I love Squishmallows, and so it's just awesome for me to tell you about this huge celebration that Squishmallows is having. And they're doing a giveaway, they're doing auctions, they're giving back, and they're just really celebrating this huge milestone. So if you're interested in getting one of the this right here, this is the 16-inch. They're also going to make another one that's all gold, also 16-inch, and that's why this whole campaign is called Get Golden Hans. And so you can just go hashtag Get Golden Hans to find out more information, or you can go to their website at squishmallows.com/Get Golden Hans, and all the information is there, how you can enter the giveaway. You just make like a video to show how much you love Squishmallows, and you can be one of the lucky, I think there's like 100 winners that could get these very special edition Squishmallows. This one here is not that special because you can actually pre-order this on their website at squishmallows.com. The one that's special that I wanted to show you is, ta-da, behind me. Hopefully you can see this. This is why the campaign is called Get Golden Hans. See how, well, he's basically all gold. Hopefully I'm still in the frame here. But this is their 24-inch amazing Squishmallows. Ta-da! It's huge, right? So that is why this whole campaign is called Get Golden Hans. And you could be one of the lucky winners to get that. There's going to be one that's going to be really special. It's going to be signed by the owner. So it's going to be worth a lot of money one day. So anyways, if you're really interested and you want to be a part of this, like I said, just go to squishmallows.com/Get Golden Hans. So before I get carried away, get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this cute hedgehog, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the head. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to draw a big curve across. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and start to bring it down. So this is basically like my usual dumpling shape, but just a little bit longer. So I'll bring this down even more. And so it's always a little bit narrower at the top and then a little bit wider towards the bottom. And let's bring this in. There. And connect. So the bottom is a little bit flatter. There, so we have our basic Squishmallow shape in. Then from there, let's come to the center area a little bit higher, and about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the nose. So right in this area, we'll just put a big curve to draw a big oval for the nose area. Round it off and connect. There. And then let's come in here and we're going to draw another oval, a bit narrower for the nose. And I'll come in here and give it a little highlight, so another oval, and shade everything else in. And then come right here in the center and just draw a straight line down. There. Just a little bit rounder right here. And then let's come to the sides and we're going to draw a circle for the eyes. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle. And same thing across. So about right here, just like the other side. Now that we have the circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. Since I'm drawing pretty big, I have enough space. But if you're drawing small and your eyes are small, just add one highlight right here on the corner. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to, let's see here. Let's come right here over the nose, and we're going to draw a soft curve right over our nose, right in the center, right there. And then we're going to go around the eye. So let's come up right here. Nice big curve around our eye to about right here. And it's the same thing on the other side. So nice big curve. And I'll just drag this point across just to make sure I'm about the same height since I'm drawing pretty big, and then going around just like the other side. And we want to aim to end about the same level as the other side. There. So now that we have that in, we can go ahead and just bring a curve down for the tummy area and tuck it in. So same thing on this side. Let's bring a curve down and tuck it in. From there, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So I'll come to the side right here, behind this area, and I'm going to pop out big curve for these cute hedgehog ears. And it's just a small curve inside, and let's do the same thing on the other side. Go right here, and another big curve, and a curve inside. And of course, to make it a real hedgehog, you need to add some spines, right? So you can just come in here, and I'll just use my Sharpie to show you. You just want to draw these small little lines at different angles all over in this outside area. Just going different directions all over. There. So that's pretty much it if you just wanted to draw the basic hedgehog Squishmallows. But today it's extra special, and we need to spruce up Hans the Hedgehog right here, right? And give him a top hat because he's celebrating. So let's come about right here. And if you wanted to do that, I'm going to come about right here. Just going to go add a curve right here. And we're going to go up. So say about right here. I'm going to come down with an angle, and here as well, since it's easier for my hand. And I'm going to connect it with a curve right on top to draw our top hat. And then we're going to come around about right here, right next to the ear. And same thing over here, and draw an oval. So Hans here is all dressed up. And then right here, we're going to add another curve right here for the hat, and of course his bow tie. So right in the center, right under the nose, I'm going to go ahead and draw the center of our bow. So it's a rounded off square, and the loops. So come down and in, and the center right here, and same thing over here. Out, and connect, and the center. And of course, I'm gonna give myself a heart right here to make it my draw so cute. Celebratory Squishmallow hedgehog. And before I go, I'm gonna come in here with my whiteout pen and just white out this area so you can see a little bit better. And I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw this cute little hedgehog here from Squishmallows. So they're all done. I really hope you enjoyed drawing Hans here, the Squishmallow hedgehog with me, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Just remember, once again, cuties, if you want to be a part of this huge celebration with Squishmallows and you want to enter to get one of these special gold Squishmallows, 24-inch, huge, gigantic Squishmallows, just make sure to go to squishmallows.com/getgoldenhans or #getgoldenhans to get all the information. And I'm also going to have some of the information in the descriptions below, so check it out there too, because I'm sure I'm missing some info right now with all my babbling. But thanks so much, cuties, for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.